Earth. A world that is predominantly dominated by normal humans and vegans.
The world is a funny place. Deriving from primates and all of a sudden wanting to know the purpose of life? Strange creatures, I must say. But I want to know more about these things. Why exactly are they here, and why aren't they anymore? Lovely, isn't it? They call it dubstep. Ugh, disgusting. You're probably confused and overwhelmed because your little ape brain can't handle it. But I am at the end of the universe. Not a lot here, as you can see. Oh, but how do you feel? Uncomfortable, maybe? Well, I mean, of course. These sounds, this music. It's quite unsettling, isn't it? Oh dear.
Music in the land of the primates is a way of communication. Now, well, usually to provide boredom, but also reproduction. As we take a sneak peek inside the human brain, there isn't much there. But if we look closer, music promotes feelings as it stimulates the brain. However, when a primate comes in contact with different frequencies of sound, probably to their liking, it is so powerful that their head starts to vibrate. History shows that life back then was quite simple. One day, one man decided that he would make a civilization. So he asked a group of his friends to help him build a castle. And that's what happened. The British Empire was made. But as time went on, things got more complicated. People started getting feelings and relationships, all of that nonsense. Oh right, and computers and the internet were made as well. Everything is online now. People don't even eat real food anymore. They just get a genie to spawn it for them.
As you can see, daily life doesn't look like a pleasing existence. But somehow they persist, like little ants along your house. There's no way they'll ever go away. And even if you blow up their entire house, they will still persist elsewhere. No, it's not enough time.
Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. And introducing our special guest.
Huh. Wait, where am I?
So, please, tell me a little more about yourself.
I am an environmentalist. I have studied the environment of the Earth for a long time.
So, what might be going on in this little environment of yours?
The Earth's environment is passing the point of no return. Soon the carbon emissions emitted will be irreversible.
Carbon emissions?
Yes, carbon dioxide. These gases are released during the combustion of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, to produce electricity. I am sick and tired of waiting around. We need to do everything to stop it.
Oh dear. Someone's a little cranky.
Shut up. This is a serious matter. We are killing the planet. The environment is dying.
Oh dear. So, the environment is dying?
Yes, the big companies are the ones trying to put the blame on the people, but in actuality, they are the only ones that can fix it. They are the ones destroying everything. They are the ones releasing the carbon emissions. They are evil.
Oh dear. So you're saying, they've destroyed their environment? The carbon emissions, the greenhouse gases? Oh. Okay. Right. Right.
We'll give it up for the environmentalists. We'll see you all next week.
The world was dying. Even with all the warnings the earth gave you, you still decided to keep going. The people in power grew hungry. They all wanted more. But soon, there was no more. Things never changed, which ultimately led to the end of the human race. There is no meaning to life. We were all just created by chance. Life really is just a few atoms making chemical compounds which so happen to combine with other compounds to make a functional consciousness. There is no meaning to life until you give it your own meaning. Nobody has a purpose until they give it their own. You are in control, you always were. But